class 6. Welcome to the maths class again. How are you? Hope all of you are doing well, right? Okay, so what are we going to learn today? We are going to learn how to make numbers. Okay, so first we will learn about how to make 2-digit, 3-digit, all this kind of number. Then we'll learn about how to make smallest and greatest number. Okay, now what we are going to do today, that I'm going to show you how to do all these sums. Okay, some of the templates I'm going to do in the board, and then some of the exercise sums will be attached with your video. You have to see the procedures and have to follow how I have done all this and complete all the exercise sums and submit me in the mail. Now talking about the mail, when you are attaching your assignment in the mail, in the subject area, you have to mention my name, otherwise I am not going to get your assignments. Okay, so for that reason I have written the spelling of my name. Please note it down so that you don't write any wrong spelling of my name. So that is Arindita. Okay, Arindita. Okay, now let's get started with the exercise. Now here you can see that I have written 3 numbers or digits, we can say. Using these 3 digits, we will be making all the combination of the number. How many numbers we can make by using all these 3 digits? 2-digit numbers as well as the 3-digit number. Now talking about the 2-digit number. What is 2-digit number? Those kind of numbers which have the unit position and the tens position. Means when we were, you remember when we were writing the place value system, we were writing in a column manner. In this way we can take out how many combination of numbers that can be. So now we will learn about 2-digit numbers. Okay, so we'll start with 9 and 4. Okay, so I'm placing 9 first and then 4. See the trick. We will go in a serial manner. Okay, 9 4, then 4 1, 4 1, then 1 9. Okay, then 1 9. See, 9 4, 4 came in the first position and 1 came in the last position. The last position number came in the first position and the number next to it came in the second position. Now what we will do? We will just reverse this number. First number, if we are reversing, like if we are making them exactly opposite, then what will they become? 9 4 will become 4 9, right? 4 1 will become 1 4, and 1 9 will become 9 and 1. So here are all the combination of number and no repetition have been allowed. Repetition means 9 9 4 4, no. All the combination that can be by not using them twice. Okay, now this is the six combinations. Now talking about the 3-digit number. 3-digit number, how we find out? Unit, tens, 100 positions. Understand? Now we will using, there is a trick. Okay, how we are going to find out? We are just going to find, see, I am going to explain this while doing it. Okay, 9 4 1. First I am writing 9 4 1. Fine. Now I am just going to inverse or cross opposite the third position and the first position. Okay, so I am going to take the third position number in the first position and the first position number in the third position. So 2 number will get a tens position repeat. Okay, 4 will come twice in 2 number. Okay, so 1 4 9. Understand? Now again we will reshuffling it. 4 1 9, 4 1 9. Again the same manner we will follow, that we will take the third position in the first, keep the second position intact and the first position in the third position. Now again we will reshuffle 1 9 4. 1 9 4. Okay, so here we are taking, so first we made it 419 941 941, then 419 419, then it is going to be 194. That means we are having 491 as another. So how many combination we got? 1 2 3 4 5 6 again. So see, if we are checking out the combination, we will get 6 possible combinations only. Now see, I have taken more three digits. Okay, 730. Why I have taken? Because this kind of sum, this is another type of sum where there is a high chances of making mistakes. Okay, so while we are making, including 0, while we are making 3-digit number, we have to keep some things in our mind, that are, let's say we write it down, unit, tens and hundred position. Okay, now after that, let's get started how I taught you. Okay, let's start making the combinations. Like first, similarly 730, keeping 3 in the common position, but it will be 0 3 7, right? Then again 3 0 7, then 7 0 3. Now again, following the same procedure, it will be 0 7 3 0 7 3 and 3 7 0. Now see, all the 6 kind of combination came out here, but we needed 3-digit numbers, right? 3-digit number, that means if 0 is there in the first position, it's not going to be a 3-digit number, no? So these are not included. So we have to keep in mind that when 0 is included, when we will be said that make 3-digit number or 4-digit number using 730 or anything, any digits including 0, we have to just keep in mind that when the number is forming using 0 in the extreme position in the left hand side, it will not be regarded as 3-digit number, because it is becoming a 2-digit number. Okay, 37 73 it will be. Okay, so how many combination we will get? We will get basically 1 2 3 and 4 combinations. Now see, I have taken another example, that is the digits I have changed. Okay, 7504, and we are going to see some new type of sum, that is we are going to make some greatest digit and smallest digits. Okay, greatest number, smallest number we can say also. So we are going to make 4-digit number. Okay, so unit, tens, hundred, thousand. Here it is also unit, tens, hundred and thousand. Now how we are going to make the greatest number and smallest number? Okay, now greatest number is making pretty easy. Okay, we have to just follow the descending order. You remember the descending and ascending order I have showed how to do it. So we just have to follow the descending order. So descending order, for that we have to write the greatest one in the left hand side. So 7 5 4 0. So this is the greatest number. Fine. Now in case of the smallest number, when we are following the ascending order, what it will be? It will be 0 4 5 7. But no, it's not the right answer. Why? Because see here, in the previous sums also I have said that we needed to make a 4-digit number. So this is becoming the 3-digit number. So this is not going to work. So what we have to do? We have to just, there is also a small trick. How to do that? We have to find the second smallest number. Which is the second smallest number? 4, right? So just flip the position of 0 and 4. So take the 4 in the first position, that is the left hand side, extreme left hand side, and then put the 0 in after that. Then follow the ascending order. Okay. So how to do that? Then 4 0 5, 7. So here it goes how to do that when 0 is included out there too. Now when the digits are given 3, okay, 3 digits are given, we have to make 5 digit numbers, and that also the greatest. Now how we are going to make 5 digit number using 3 digit number? Now I can say that we have to have repeat, okay, we have to repeat the numbers. Now to make the greatest number, which number we are going to repeat? The most likely the greatest number, okay. So how we are going to write it down? When we are writing the greatest number, we are going to write the 9 at the max, okay. So all this I filled with 9, okay. Last 2 numbers are remaining, right? So 7, 8 is smaller than 8, 7, right? So we are going to write 8, 7. So this is going to be the greatest number. Now again, when we have to find out the smallest number, see 4 numbers are there, right? 4 digits are there, 5 digit number you have to make. Now follow the ascending order format again. Now we will be going from the smallest number to here in the right hand side to the largest number. So how we are going to do? Again we will do like from the smallest number to the largest number, we will use the smallest number at the max, okay. So like 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3. No, we will put 1 is the second smallest number, so we'll put in the extreme left, in the maximum value position, and then we'll put the smallest number in the 2 position. Then we'll follow the similar ascending order manner. So that's it for today. So the sums and the templates I have shown in the board right now, and the templates that have been attached with this video in the description box below. So follow this and do the rest of the sums of the exercise 1.3 and submit me, okay.